Marley's been saying cat. Marley's been saying cat, but Dan hasn't heard it because he's always at work. So I'm trying to get it on video. Can you say cat? Oh, watch your fingers. Jakey loves Marley. When Marley pets him, you too. When Marley pets him, he purrs because he gets so excited. Okay, gentle, right? Gentle. Gentle with Jakey. Cat. Can you say cat? Cat, 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 cat. Cat, cat, cat. Huh? Cat. What are you doing? Are you flirting? Is Bella up there? Yeah. Look at you hugging Jake. How cute is that? How cute is that? He loved you. Aww. Say cat. Cat. Say cat. Say cat. Cat. Cat say meow. Cat. Okay, gentle. You gotta be gentle, remember? Gentle. Good girl. Gentle. Say cat. Gentle. Aww. Good boy, Jakey. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Cat. Cat. No. Look at Bella up there. Oh my goodness. Hi, Bella. Marley, say cat. Hmm? Oh, you just woke up from your nap. Maybe I should have waited a little while, huh? Till you woke up? Yeah. Is it your friend? Cat, 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 cat. Cat, 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 cat. Cat, 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 cat. Uh-oh. Cat, cat, cat. Oh. Here, let me boost you up. Whoop. Okay. There you go. Cat. Cat. You're silly. You know that? Can you say cat? No. Boop. All right.